Hello, welcome to my channel Home Hair Totke. Today in this video I will tell you clay and castor oil face mask. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Castor oil for skin whitening can be used in the best way through this mask. Clay not only firms sagging and aging skin but also clean it thoroughly from inside and reduces pigmentation by increase the number of collagen fiber in the skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoon face clay, 1 teaspoon milk powder, 1 tablespoon castor oil. Method: in a bowl, combine together 2 tablespoon Kaolin clay, 1 teaspoon milk powder and 1 tablespoon castor oil to make a thick paste. Apply the paste on the face and neck areas and leave it on for 25 to 30 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. Repeat the process once a week for desired results. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.